That car sitting in your driveway is costing you thousands more than it should every single year. And the fixes are not complicated. Over 80% of drivers go their entire lives without knowing the simple tricks that prevent the repair shops charge top dollar for. One of the hacks in this video stops engine damage that runs $3,000 to fix. Another prevents rust from destroying your body panels before it ever starts. After 40 years working on vehicles, these are the practical hacks that save real money, take almost no time, and that nobody in the industry is rushing to tell you about. The last one on this list has saved drivers over $5,000 in a single repair bill. Stay until the end. Before we get into it, if you want honest, practical car advice that saves you money and keeps your vehicle on the road longer, subscribe to Make Car Go right now. No sponsored content, no brand deals, just real experience passed on straight. Hit that subscribe button and let us get into it. Stop fogged windows with a sock and cat litter. Interior window fogging is not a ventilation problem. It is trapped moisture inside the cabin condensing onto the glass, and most drivers deal with it by running the defroster every morning, which wastes fuel and solves nothing permanently. Fill a clean sock with silica-based cat litter and tie it off. Place it on the dashboard or under the front seat. Silica cat litter is a desiccant that actively pulls moisture out of the cabin air before it reaches the glass. When the litter is saturated after several weeks, empty and refill it. One $5 bag handles this problem for an entire year and protects the interior from long-term moisture damage at the same time. Restore faded interior plastic with something already in your bathroom. Dashboard panels, door trim, center consoles, and rubber door seals all fade and dull over time from UV exposure and general wear. Dedicated interior restore products run $15 to $25 a bottle. Your bathroom cabinet likely has something that works just as well for almost nothing. Petroleum jelly applied with a microfiber cloth restores the color and finish of interior plastics and vinyl. Apply a small amount to the cloth, work it in with light, even strokes, and buff off any excess. Applied to rubber door seals, it keeps them flexible and prevents the drying and cracking that eventually leads to water leaks and wind noise. One jar covers the entire interior multiple times at a fraction of the cost of any dedicated product. Hack 3. Remove interior scuffs with a magic eraser. Black scuff marks on door panels and seat bolsters are nearly impossible to remove with standard cleaning products. Most cleaners push the mark around without lifting it. A slightly dampened magic eraser rubbed gently over the mark removes it cleanly from plastic, vinyl, and painted interior surfaces without damaging the finish. A pack costs around $5, handles shoe scuffs, pen marks, and most mystery stains throughout the whole cabin, and lasts through multiple cleaning sessions. Your headrest is an emergency escape tool. This is one that genuinely matters in a life or death situation, and the overwhelming majority of drivers have no idea about it. If you are ever trapped in a vehicle after a collision with doors that will not open, or a vehicle that is submerging in water, the headrest sitting behind your head is an emergency glass breaking tool. Pull the headrest completely out of the seat. The two metal prongs that anchor it into the seat back are narrow and hardened. Jam one of those metal prongs into the corner of the side window where the glass meets the door frame and apply pressure. Tempered glass is highly resistant to blunt force across its surface, but extremely vulnerable to concentrated point pressure at the edges. The metal prong concentrates force into a very small area, and the window shatters immediately. A college student in Florida used this exact technique to escape a vehicle that had entered a retention pond after a crash. Why, his doors were jammed shut and water was rising. He shattered the window in seconds and got out. Emergency responders on scene confirmed that attempting to break the glass with bare hands would not have worked in time. Silence a squealing belt for under $10. A high-pitched squeal from under the hood on cold starts is almost always a glazed or dried drive belt, not a worn one that needs replacing. A can of belt dressing spray from any auto parts store costs around $6. With the engine running, spray it onto the ribbed underside of the belt. The spray cleans the glazed contact surface and stops the squeal within seconds. If the noise returns within a few days, the belt is genuinely worn. If the spray holds it quiet for weeks, you avoided an unnecessary parts bill entirely. Hack 6. Replace your cabin. Air filter yourself in 5 minutes. Quick lube shops and dealerships charge between $40 and $60 to replace a cabin air filter and present it as a specialized service requiring professional attention. It is one of the simplest maintenance tasks on any modern vehicle and requires no tools whatsoever. Open the glove box, squeeze the sides inward to release the stops, and remove it completely. Behind it is the cabin air filter housing. Slide out the old filter, note the direction the airflow arrows are pointing, and slide the new one in the same way. Close the housing, put the glove box back, and you are done. A replacement filter costs between $10 and $20 depending on the vehicle. The job takes 5 minutes, including the time it takes to find the filter at the parts store. One driver was quoted $55 for this service at a dealership during a routine service visit. He declined, bought the filter himself for $12, and installed it in his driveway before driving home. That single decision, repeated at every service interval over the life of the vehicle, adds up to several $100s in unnecessary charges avoided. Dead weight. In your car is quietly draining your fuel budget. Every 100 pounds of extra weight reduces fuel economy by roughly 1 to 2%, according to the EPA. That figure sounds minor in isolation, but compounds quickly when the weight is permanent and the driving is daily. Roof racks, cargo carriers, heavy tools, sports equipment that has not been used in months, cases of water, random accumulated junk in the boot. All of it forces the engine to work harder on every trip. Removing 100 pounds of unnecessary cargo from a vehicle driven 15,000 miles a year produces a measurable improvement in fuel consumption within the first fill-up. Over a full year, that improvement translates to a meaningful reduction in fuel costs that requires zero maintenance, zero products, and zero expertise. Walk around your vehicle today and pull out anything that does not need to be there permanently. The engine will run the same distance on less fuel starting immediately. Hack 8. Restore oxidized headlights with a $5 mix. Yellowed, oxidized headlight lenses reduce effective light output by up to 80% according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, meaning you are driving at night with a fraction of the visibility your vehicle was designed to provide. Professional restoration services charge $100 or more. Mix equal parts white toothpaste and petroleum jelly, and apply the mixture to the lens with a cloth, scrubbing in circular motions for several minutes. The toothpaste removes the oxidized surface layer while the petroleum jelly fills micro scratches and slows reoxidization. Rinse off and buff dry. One driver applied this method after being quoted $150 at a detailing shop. 6 months later, the lenses remained clear. Total cost? Under $5. The coin trick thieves use to get into locked cars. This is a theft method that is spread through parking lots across the country and that most drivers have never heard of. A thief wedges a small coin, typically a nickel or dime, into the exterior door handle mechanism. The coin jams the handle in a way that prevents the locking command from the key fob from fully engaging the door latch. The door appears locked from the outside and the fob beeps as normal, but the door is not fully secured. The driver walks away believing the vehicle is locked. The thief waits, removes the coin, and opens the door without any sign of forced entry. Security footage has documented this method at shopping centers, car parks, and fuel stations. The prevention is simple. After locking with the key fob, physically pull the door handle of each door before walking away. If the door opens, the lock did not engage, and you need to check for an obstruction in the handle mechanism. That 10-second habit eliminates the entire vulnerability. Hack 10. Use cleaning slime to detail AC vents perfectly. Air conditioning vents accumulate dust, pet hair, and debris in the gaps between the fins, where no cloth, brush, or vacuum nozzle can reach properly. Every time the air conditioning runs, that accumulated material gets recirculated into the cabin. Professional detailing charges real money to address what is a genuinely tedious cleaning problem. Cleaning slime, sold for keyboards and electronics, costs around $8 and solves it completely. Press the slime into the vent openings and work it through the gaps. The sticky texture conforms to every shape and pulls material out of gaps that are physically inaccessible to any rigid tool. Pull it out and the debris comes with it. One container cleans every vent in the vehicle multiple times. It reaches spots that nothing else reaches and takes less time than any alternative method. And graphite from a pencil fixes a stiff ignition for free. A key that is becoming difficult to insert or turn in the ignition is a problem that shops often diagnose as a failing ignition cylinder, quoting several $100s for a replacement. In the majority of cases, the real problem is a dry lock mechanism that needs lubrication, not replacement. Rub the teeth and grooves of your key heavily with the graphite tip of a standard pencil until the metal is visibly coated in the gray material. Insert and remove the key from the ignition 10 to 15 times to transfer the graphite into the lock cylinder and distribute it across the internal pins. The key will begin to move noticeably more smoothly within a few insertions. Graphite is the correct lubricant for lock cylinders because it is dry. Oil-based products like Yidud WD-40 provide temporary relief but attract dust, which combines with the oil to form a sticky paste inside the cylinder that makes the problem progressively worse over time. One pencil costs almost nothing and treats every lock on the vehicle, including door locks, the boot lock, and the glove box. Hack 12. Park smart in summer to protect your steering wheel. A steering wheel that has been sitting in direct sun for several hours in summer can reach temperatures that are genuinely painful to grip. Most drivers accept this as unavoidable and either wait for the air conditioning to bring the interior temperature down or use a windshield shade. There is a simpler solution that requires nothing at all. Before parking, you can rotate the steering wheel 180 degrees so the section you normally hold is facing downward toward the floor. The sun heats the top of the wheel while the grip section stays in shade. When you return, the part of the wheel you actually hold is immediately comfortable to touch. Beyond the convenience, repeated exposure to extreme heat accelerates the degradation of leather and vinyl on steering wheel rims. Keeping the grip section out of direct sunlight extends the life of the material as well as making the car more comfortable to get back into. Your car has a hidden tow hook, and most drivers never find it. Getting stuck in mud or snow and looping a tow strap around the bumper is a natural instinct and an expensive mistake. Modern bumpers are not structural components and will not take towing loads without causing damage. In every modern vehicle comes with a threaded tow hook stored in the boot, usually with a spare tire kit. On the front and rear bumpers, a small rectangular cover painted to match the body conceals a threaded receiver behind it. Pop the cover off, screw in the tow hook by hand, and you have a factory-engineered attachment point that handles the full load of the vehicle safely. Find yours now before you need it. Discovering it while stuck in a ditch under stress is not the ideal moment. If this kind of practical, money-saving advice is what you have been looking for, subscribe to Make Car Go right now. Every video on this channel is built on real experience, real testing, and no shortcuts. Hit that subscribe button right below this video before the next one goes up. None of these hacks require specialist knowledge, expensive tools, or a trip to a professional. They require knowing what to do and taking 5 minutes to do it. That gap between knowing and not knowing is exactly what shops and dealerships profit from every day. The drivers who know these tricks spend less, break down less, and keep their vehicles longer. Drop a comment below telling me which one surprised you the most and what you want covered in the next video. I read every single one, every